You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names of chemical elements, periodic table, metal, stay tuned. There are more videos for you that are fascinating. You're going to learn so much from them. Cuprum, that's Latin for copper, the chemical element, symbol Cu. Cuprum, English pronunciation, cuprum. Now in Latin, the pronunciation cuprum. That's how the Latins would say copper. Atomic number 29, cuprum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.